Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. We like industry tailwinds. It means that the underlying stock we're looking at has a great near and long-term growth potential. And that's what you're getting with today's top income pick, VICI Properties Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol VICI. First, the Federal Reserve is expected to start cutting interest rates over the coming months. That's good news because higher interest rates make it more expensive to borrow, and REITs borrow a lot of money to expand their real estate empire. Second, and this data is geared towards especially VICI properties, Americans are spending a record amount of money at casinos. Last year, Americans spent record $66.5 billion, a 10% increase over 2022, and the third straight year of record growth. When it comes to gaming and casinos, the biggest winners, once again, the Las Vegas Strip, generating 7.2% annual increase to over 8.8 billion. While people think that majority of that money is coming from gambling, it's actually coming from non-gambling amenities, which account for 73.4% of Vegas Strip casino revenue last year. Perhaps surprisingly, non-gambling revenue has outpaced gambling revenue for the past 25 years. The last time gaming reigned supreme was in 1999. John?
Yeah, thanks, Bill. Just a short recap. VICI Properties is one of the largest owners of gaming, hospitality, and entertainment destinations in North America. Yeah, and its properties include Caesars Palace Las Vegas, the MGM Grand, and the Venetian Resort Las Vegas. Now, as of this recording, the company's national footprint includes 93 experiential assets. That consists of 54 gaming properties and 39 non-gaming properties across the US and Canada. Now, the portfolio includes pretty massive 127 million square feet. Now, to put that into context, that's the size of 2,204 NFL football fields. And these properties feature roughly 60,300 hotel rooms and approximately 500 restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and sport books. Now, properties are occupied by industry-leading gaming, leisure, and hospitality operators under long-term triple lease agreements. This includes Caesars Palace and the Venetian. VICI Properties also owns 4 championship golf courses and 33 acres of undeveloped and underdeveloped land adjacent to the Vegas Strip. What's interesting is that while the pandemic undermined the top and bottom line of many REITs, VICI Properties brings in $3.08 billion in annualized cash rent and 100% rent collections since its formation in 2017.
The company reported its strong 2023 results too, with the revenue up close to 40% and net income jumping close to 125%.
Yeah, Americans and tourists spending record amounts at U.S. casinos is helping VICI Properties continue to report great results. In 2017, it reported total revenue of $690 million. Full year 2023, VICI Properties announced that total revenue increased 38.9% year over year to $3.6 billion. Net income advanced 124.9% to $2.5 billion or $2.47 per share, while adjusted funds from operation increased 29.1% to $2.2 billion or $2.15 per share.
How does 2024 look here?
For 2024 for VICI Properties remains pretty solid, with management expecting to report adjusted funds from operation of between $2.3 billion and $2.35 billion, or between $2.22 and $2.25 per share. Now, this compares to 2023 adjusted funds from operation of $2.2 billion, or $2.15 per diluted share.
This company recently hiked its dividends for the 6th straight year.
Yeah, to qualify as a REIT, the company has to distribute at least 90% of its taxable income to investors in the form of a dividend. This helps explain why VICI Properties REIT has such a high payout and yield. It has also raised its annual dividend for the last consecutive years, and it actually targets 75% adjusted funds from operation payout ratio. And since the fourth quarter of 2018, VICI's annual cash dividend per share has expanded at a compound annual growth rate of 7.6%, and that's significantly outpacing its peers. Now, in the third quarter of 2023, VICI increased its annual cash dividend by 6.4% to 41.5 cents per share, or $1.66 per share on an annual basis. And now that works out to a current yield of 5.62%. VICI Properties has maintained its payout level at that level since.
And now VICI shares haven't fared all that well of late.
Yeah, despite reporting strong revenue, earnings, and adjusted funds from operation growth and providing strong guidance for 2024, investors seem more concerned about when the Federal Reserve is going to start cutting interest rates. As of this recording, VICI Stock is actually down around 7% year to date and roughly 7.5% year over year. But Wall Street sees greater odds ahead for VICI Stock, trading at around $29.70 per share as of this recording. Analysts have provided a 12-month share price target of between $34.67 to as high as $41 per share.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. VICI Properties continues to be a great specialty REIT that provides investors with the long-term capital appreciation and dividend growth. Over the last 5 years, the company's annual dividend payout has grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 7.6%, and its share price has rallied 96.5%. And the outlook for VICI Stock and its dividend remains robust. It entered the Canadian market and grew financial partnership in St. Lucia and the UK, made its first real estate acquisition in the family of entertainment sector, significantly expanded its partnership with Canyon Ranch and Cabot, and converted its first loan to real estate ownership. The company's 2023 AFFO growth per share of 11.8% was among the highest growth rates of S&P 500 REITs, while its 2023 investment put it in a position to deliver a 2024 AFFO per share growth on the high end of consensus average growth rates of S&P 500 REITs. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.